Cut a lemon into 4 parts, put a little salt on it, and place it in the middle of the kitchen. This trick will change your life forever. We all know how beneficial lemons are. It is one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. It enriches the taste of many drinks and meals. Lemons keep the health of your heart, hair, and skin in good condition. Also, lemon will help you eliminate bacteria, viruses, and germs from your body. And you can also eliminate bad smells coming from your kitchen with the use of lemon. In addition, it will fight bacteria and microbes present in the kitchen. Here's what you'll need to do. Start by cutting the lemon into 4 parts, but cut it only a little because the parts should be kept separate. In the 4 parts, add a little salt and place them in the middle of your kitchen. This will give a citrus aroma to your kitchen, and all bad smells will disappear. And as we have already mentioned, all bacteria and germs will be eliminated. You can also make a powerful disinfectant that will help you clean all kitchen tools. Just squeeze 3 lemons and add their juice, soap, and a little salt to a water bottle. This will eliminate all bacteria, viruses, and microbes. You should try this trick because the results are amazing, and you will be really satisfied with them.